Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you can see here all our visible icons on the notification panel, and just to add, remove, or just to change positions of some icons, you should click here on the edit icon. And just to add here some icons, you can see here these 5 just hidden icons. Just click here to the plus on the right upper corner of each of the icon, and just to remove some icons here, you should click here on these minuses. And just to change the positions of the icons, hold for a while the icon and drag it to the position where you want to just change, for example, by this way. So that's it, and then just click here to done to save all the changes. And as can you see, that's really simple. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.